here to kick off our Real Good Food series, I'm joined by nutrition coach Megan Millecam, sharing her recipe for healthy chicken tostadas. Do you feel me? Like real food.
Yes.
Real food.
We're hungry. We want to eat real food.
Yes, and after the treat fest that was Christmas 2022, give me some real stuff.
Yes.
Why do you like this recipe?
So this recipe, you know I like to do things that are customizable.
Yes.
That like one picky kid can take that off. They can even help you make it if you're doing stuff for, you know, littles, but it's really like make your own, and it's filling and it's easy, which is my jam.
I love you for all of the above. So where do we start with this?
So I'm gonna have you help me.
Good.
We are gonna make these chicken tostadas. So these shells, I pre-buy them. You can make them on your own if you like. You just take corn tortillas, pop them in the oven at like 400, flip them at like 5 minutes, another 5, and then you're good. So if you don't wanna...
We're going for the crunch.
Yeah, we're going easy here. So what we do is we're gonna start just layering. This is salsa chicken,
How did you make that? Give us your way.
Easy. We do 4 to 6 chicken breasts in the crock pot. Here, I'll let you go.
Thank you.
We cover it in salsa, which is usually about 1 to 2 cups.
Okay.
You can use any kind you like, it doesn't matter. About a 1/2 cup, you can go 1/4 cup if you want to decrease the sugar content of brown sugar.
Okay.
And then a packet of taco seasoning. That's it.
Let it go.
Let it go 4 to 6 hours on high. You just want it to fall apart and shred really easily.
I've done the taco seasoning with water. The salsa, I bet, just takes it up a notch.
Oh, it's so good. And it adds like a little bit of sweetness to it with the sugar. Like it's just a good combo, and it really, you can use it for anything. So you can put it on salads.
It's real good food.
It is.
It's real good food.
It is.
Okay.
Okay, so next we're gonna add black beans, which I know people who prefer, you know, different kinds. You could do refried, pinto. I just like to do the classic. So there we go,
You're
black
loading
beans.
it up. Look at you.
We got to get full off this.
Protein, baby.
Yeah,
okay.
Absolutely.
We call these at our house, we have a Cafe Rio night.
I love that.
And the 4-year-old actually started, I was saying beans, but she thought I was saying, she translated bugs. So now, and my penny's now taking it up, so she'll crawl on my lap and say, can I have some bugs?
You're like, absolutely.
Bugs, and I fish out the beans for her.
That's so cute.
Feeding bugs to my children. Yeah.
I love it. So, I mean, there you go. She'll love it because she can put her own bugs on.
Her own bugs, absolutely. She's got her own spoonful.
Okay, next we add cheese, which easy.
Yeah.
And then at this point, I actually like to pop them in the oven at like 350 just for a few minutes until the cheese melts and everything warms through.
Yeah.
You can have it already warmed, and if you want to do it that way, that's easy too.
Okay.
But that's just, I like to have it like melty cheese.
Yes.
You know, we love that.
Little ooey gooey never hurt anybody.
Okay, then next we're going lettuce. You just add this right on top.
Got our greens.
And just know these are not clean to eat. So it's kind of like a party in your mouth and all over your plate.
You embrace the mess as part of the experience.
Fully. We go tomatoes.
Okay. I'm not a tomato girl, but for you, I will be.
Oh, you don't have to be.
No, I want to be.
See, that's what I'm telling you.
I want to
add what you
expand my
want.
palate in 2023, Megan.
You're going to learn to like them.
All right. I like salsa. Is that funny?
That is
I
funny.
don't like tomatoes.
Do you like red sauce?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just not, I don't know. It's
Maybe
the
it's
mush,
a texture.
I think it is.
You like it in stuff.
But no problem with this texture. Extra avocados, please.
Oh, so good. And full of such good fats. Like all of these things have awesome nutrients to them.
Yeah.
And it's just adding a little bit here and there. Sour cream, little dollop on top. And then I love to add pickled onions.
Pickled onions?
Have you ever had pickled red onions?
No.
They're so
We're
good.
kind of going Mexican food here. Is that a Mexican food ingredient?
I mean, it is to me. But you can put these on salads. You can put them on anything. They're super simple to make.
Okay.
Yeah. You just do apple cider vinegar, which is actually awesome for digestion.
Yes.
You add a little bit of water, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt, and then you let that sit in the fridge for about an hour. And then they just add like a little bit of crunch with that little bit of like vinegar kick to it.
Okay, I can see that being a good grab and go for like the mom salad.
Yeah.
How long do they last in your fridge?
About 3 weeks.
About 3 weeks.
Yeah.
You could make a batch.
Totally.
Have them there.
Add them on.
I was brave enough with my tomato. Can I pass on the
You can
pickled onions?
absolutely pass. See, like I told you can pass on anything.
But I like the crunch idea. I like the tang idea.
Yeah.
I mean, I appreciate your
It just adds, I like to add like a little bit of flavor where we can because it's a pretty simple concept, as you can see.
Yeah.
But you just add kind of where that flavor is. And then if you like salsa, you just add salsa on top,
okay,
which you said you like.
I do. I do. We've stacked it tall, we've stacked it high, and then we knife and fork this, right?
Yeah. I mean, if you're my husband, you actually just fold it in half and eat it like a taco.
Oh, I like him. Yeah, absolutely.
But I do the knife and fork.
Okay.
And then literally like full of protein, full of really good nutrients.
Yeah.
Super simple.
Yeah.
I mean, we threw that together in 5 seconds.
Easy
Like
peasy.
it's so easy.
Yeah, the crock pot does most of the work.
Yep.
And you can pull from what you have in the pantry, in the fridge, add a few extra ingredients to make it feel leveled up. Megan, thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
Where can we get more health and wellness advice from you?
So my Instagram is @muncher_cruncher. My website is munchercruncher.com. I've got all sorts of stuff
Did you know
there.
what you were doing when you selected that handle, Muncher Cruncher?
You know, I have to thank my sister for it, so I can
never
take no
to forget.
credit.
Never to forget, Muncher Cruncher.
Yes. Yep.
Which means what? We're munching and we're crunching?
Yeah,
As
like
in,
we're
crunching?
eating and we're exercising.
Yeah, we're munching and we're crunching with
You
Megan.
got it.
Well, I love following you. Thank you so
you're
much
so sweet.
for kicking off this series and giving us a real
Thank
good
you.
food dinner idea that we can easily pull off today or in the days and weeks to come.
Yep.